rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the latest episode of what is usually Gary's Rants and Raves podcast, but I am guest hosting this time. I'm Steph Beckett, and joining me is Greg O'Rourke from Almo Pro AV. Greg, how are you?
I'm very good, Steph. Thank you.
You're busy.
Yes, we're very busy rounding up the E4 season here.
Exactly. So, I guess it was last week, was our Santa Clara stop for the E4, and coming up is Chicago, the very last stop of the year. So, tell me a little bit about what makes this next stop in Chicago so unique.
Well, this is the first time in the more than 15-year history of E4s that we've gone to the same city 2 years in a row.
Wow.
And Chicago attendees have demanded that we come back. Every year they made it clear they want an E4 there. So we're going to make it happen this year for them.
That's awesome. So, I'm guessing that this next stop is going to be very busy, very big. Um, so
Yes.
you've seen, I guess we've seen this momentum build up through the previous cities. So how are we going to expect to like carry that energy into this final stop?
Well, we've got a lot of new things that we're bringing. There's new keynote for Chicago. We've got lots of new products and demos, and we're also doing something called Flipping the Script, where we do an AV coffee talk, and we bring in editors and we ask them the questions and talk about what's going on in the industry. And it's something that we've not done before.
Which is very exciting, and I'm excited to say I'm going to be a part of that. I'm going to be one of those editors that is answering the questions instead of asking them, which is a little
Absolutely.
bit nerve wracking.
Absolutely. We've got yourself, we've got Alicia Hendley from she's an AV social media influencer, and then Dan Farisi, which I think everybody knows from Commercial Integrator. So we're really excited to have three people top in the industry, and we're going to be, like we said, flipping the script on them, doing kind of a coffee talk on stage at the E4. It's going to take place at 2 p.m. And we're going to wrap up the day with some great insights and trends and ideas. And who knows what questions are going to be asked here, but we're going to find out what you guys think of the state
No,
of the industry and what's new.
I'm so excited, and Karen Castano from Almo is going to be the moderator for that. So very,
Yeah.
very excited to kind of have the script
Yeah.
flipped on me and kind of be in the hot seat. It's what I deserve after making so many people sit through interviews with me.
Well, we're very excited about it. It's a new thing that we're doing, and we're so excited. So
It's going to be fantastic.
yeah.
So I know that sometimes the manufacturers and the products kind of change from stop to stop,
Mhm.
and for the fall it's changed a little bit from the spring. So do you want to talk a little bit about some of the specific manufacturers that are going to be in Chicago?
Yeah, we have a lot of new Almo only products, but there's hundreds of products on the show floor. Some Almo only products are like the Christie Digital Secure Series 3 products, Vantage robotic drones, and there's also a ViewSonic 138-inch foldable, and e-paper, LG quick ship stocking programs, and so much more.
Fantastic. Also, we talked about the flip the script panel, but there are so many other training opportunities, and that's kind of one of the things that E4 is quite well known for. So, do you want to mention a few of the other sessions that are going to be there where people can get their CTS credits?
Sure, sure. We have presenters such as yourself, Tom Kerr, who's been in the industry for quite a while, Amanda Stewart. She was last year. She made her debut with E4, and is now doing the keynote speaking for us there. We have a planar series which they're sponsoring, and the AI session for the keynote is is phenomenal. It's transforming collaboration and efficiency in the smart workplace. and it's never the same keynote twice as things rapidly change in the industry.
Mhm.
So she's always adding new things to this. So there's always some great information to get from it.
Absolutely. I have gone to it every time and I've learned something new each time I've seen it.
Nice.
So that's fantastic. And so beyond the sessions, beyond the show floor, like what do attendees gain from spending a day at E4 that they can then bring back to their businesses and help educate their coworkers?
Well, it's beyond just going and seeing products. It's networking. It's meeting with your salesperson and meeting with these manufacturer reps that they don't usually get to get in front of. They can take back some insights and techniques that they learned at the show. JBL is going to be doing a roadshow, an audio roadshow for the first time at E4,
Nice.
and you can actually hear the gear in controlled but realistic settings. And they'll guide you through best practices, how to choose components, aim speakers. They've got a phenomenal setup, and it's going to be just off of the main exhibit hall. And we're really excited to have that be part of Chicago's E4.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
And so for integrators or their end users that are still on the fence, like what's another reason that they really should not miss the Chicago stop?
Well, it's as we said, it's the classes, the products, the manufacturers, their sales reps, these new demos that we're doing, the flip the script. Chicago is full of things for them to take back to their office and put into practice in their jobs and on their projects.
Absolutely. Well, it's coming up. It is October 7th and it is in Chicago. What's the venue again, Greg?
We are at Drury Lane Theater. We've been there probably 4 or 5 times now, maybe more. And you can go to e4experience.com and register there. Um, I'd also like to make sure everybody brings their customers because this exhibit hall is their showroom.
Mm-hmm.
So bring your customers, show them the new products, see some people that you haven't seen in a while, meet your sales reps. It's going to be a great day. It starts at 8 a.m. with breakfast, and the exhibit hall is open from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So we've got a packed schedule for everybody. So we're excited.
Awesome. And we'll both see you there if you're watching or listening and are going to attend. So, Greg, thank you so much. I will see you in Chicago. And again, I will shout out to everyone watching or listening. Go to e4experience.com. It is completely free to attend. So go ahead and register, and we will see you both there. Greg, thank you so much for joining me.
All right. Thank you, Steph. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Uh-huh.
rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.